In this video, you'll learn how to create a sales funnel using Stan Store. By following these steps, you will effectively define your funnel stages and set up your products and services to maximize conversions and sales. To begin, you need to define your funnel stages. Start with the lead capture stage, which involves attracting visitors to your funnel. You can achieve this through various channels, including social media, advertisements, and engaging content that draws attention to your offerings. The next stage is the offer entry product. This involves setting up a low-cost product or a freebie on Stan Store. This entry-level product should provide value to your visitors and encourage them to take the first step in your sales funnel, leading them to explore more of what you offer. Following that, you will create the upsell or core offer. This is your main product, service, or membership that you want to sell. It should be designed to provide significant value and address the needs of your customers who have engaged with your entry product. The final stage in your funnel is retention and follow-up. This involves implementing email sequences or subscriptions that encourage repeat sales. Establishing a relationship through consistent communication will help keep your customers engaged and more likely to purchase again in the future. Now let's set up your products and services in Stan Store. Navigate to My Store and click on plus add product/service for each stage of your funnel. Ensure you provide clear descriptions and pricing for each item to facilitate informed purchasing decisions. Next, you need to connect your payment and automation tools. For automatic payments, integrate Stripe into your setup. Additionally, consider using Zapier or email marketing tools to send follow-ups, upsells, or deliver digital products seamlessly to your customers. To create landing pages or links for your offers, return to My Store and click on plus add section. This will allow you to make funnel specific landing pages that highlight your offers. Make sure to direct traffic from your ads, social media, or email campaigns to these dedicated pages to maximize visibility. Finally, it is essential to track and optimize your funnel's performance. Utilize the analytics feature to monitor conversions and revenue at each stage of your funnel. Based on the data, you can adjust product placement, pricing, or content to improve overall sales and effectiveness. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.